Finance example 7A. Your son's getting his driver's license in 3 years. That looks like that might be important, so let's go ahead and underline that. When he does, you plan to let him have your old car to call his own. That means you can get a car that is new to you. You want to have $18,000 set aside in 3 years. So we're saying in 3 years from now, we want $18,000 set aside for that purchase. You find an account that earns 3% interest compounded quarterly. How much do you need to deposit now to reach your goal? So we're making one deposit now that earns interest quarterly, and we want to eventually have $18,000. So that sounds like our compound interest formula. And it looks like our future value is $18,000. That's how much we want to end up with later. Our time is 3 years. We want to have that in 3 years. Our interest rate was 3%, so that's 300. We are going to have quarterly payments. So our N is 4. And we're looking for how much we need to put away. So into our compound interest formula, our A was 18,000 equals P times 1 plus our 300 divided by 4 raised to, and this is our N times T. Our N times T, that's 4 times 3, which would give us 12. So we raised to the 12th power. So the easiest thing for us to do is go ahead and take our 8,000 divided by this amount right here, okay? So I could it's 18,000 divided by this amount. Okay, and we put that in our calculators, we get $16,456.29. Just a little bit of calculator help too. You could go ahead and figure out what this is in your calculator, and then you could do 18,000 divided by, and you could either do answer. So in my calculator, it's a second function of the answer, or you could do the up arrow. And for some of our calculators, it will give us that previous answer and divide. It's up to you. Remember, learning how to use technology is one of the things that we're trying to accomplish in a college class. So not only are you thinking critically, you need to know how to use the technology that's available to you.